Are you facing Nintendo Switch error code 2-ARVHA-0000? Sorry, could not connect to YouTube. Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the console. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue when Nintendo Switch cannot connect to YouTube. Press and hold the power button for at least 3 seconds. Then select power options and restart. Once the system restarts, try to play YouTube again and check. Method 2. Check your internet connection. You can perform an internet connection test on your Nintendo Switch to check the network connection status. Sometimes, due to unstable internet connection, you can have issues playing YouTube on your Nintendo Switch. From the home menu, select the system settings icon. Scroll down to Internet and choose Test Connection. The test will begin immediately and the results will indicate if your console is successfully connected to Nintendo's services. Method 3. Try a different internet connection. You can also shift to a different internet connection and see if that works for you. If you have access to a different Wi-Fi connection, then switch to that. You can also choose an Ethernet connection as it ensures a more stable connection. Also, make sure the Ethernet cable is properly connected and there is no loose connection. You can disconnect your Ethernet cable from all the sources and connect it to some other device on another internet connection to check it. Method 4. Check the date and time. Navigate to System Settings. Select System, then select Date and Time. Select Synchronize Clock via Internet, or you can turn the Synchronize Clock via Internet option. Then tap on Date and Time and set it manually. Then tap on OK. Now try to play YouTube and check. Method 5. Check for corrupted data. In System Settings, navigate to Data Management, then select Manage Software. Choose the problematic software and select Check for Corrupt Data. Wait for the process to complete. Click on Done when finished, then see if this could fix the issue. You can also select Delete Software. In this case, you need to download the game again from eShop. Method 6. Update the Switch. Ensure your console has the latest system update. Navigate to System Settings from the Home tab. Select the system. Next, select System Update. Once the update is complete, check if the issue is fixed. Method 7. Reset the cache. Go to System Settings from the home screen. Scroll down and select System. Select Formatting options. Choose Reset Cache. Select the user from whom you want to clear the cache. Confirm by selecting Reset to clear the cache. Once done, check if the issue is fixed. Method 8. Delete and re-download the game again. Uninstall YouTube and re-download it from the Nintendo eShop. From the home menu, select System Settings. Scroll down and select Data Management. On the right hand side, select Software. Choose YouTube. Select Delete Software. Confirm by selecting Delete when prompted. To reinstall a game or application from eShop, open the Nintendo eShop from the home menu. Select the account you want to use. Click on your profile in the top right corner of the screen. Now find YouTube and select the download button next to it. Method 9. Contact Nintendo support. If you have tried all these steps shown and the issue persists, it may be best to contact Nintendo support for further assistance. You can click on this link and select the console you are using. Then select the issue and follow the on-screen instructions provided by the team to fix the issue. You can also book for a repair and follow the on-screen guide. And there you have it. The methods to fix Nintendo Switch error code 2-ARVHA-0000. Sorry, could not connect to YouTube. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.